Today I'll be making a rocky roads for Christmas. Hello, I'm Roshni here.
And I'm Bida.
We are also known as the Delhi Cotton. And we'll start with double boiling the chocolate, chopped chocolate. You need to melt this and you have to add some butter to it and some honey. You have to melt all these together and bring it together. Once the chocolate, honey and butter are melted together, please keep some aside so that you can level it at the end. To this mixture, add some digestive biscuit, crushed digestive biscuit, and mix it together. This is the most simplest recipe I could like. Once all these are mixed together, you'll have to take it out and pour it to a pan which is lined with foil. Yeah, then just tap twice.
Can level it. And pour the remaining chocolate mixture what you had kept aside all over.
Make the surface very smooth. And this has to be put in the refrigerator for like 2 hours. This is the batch which I made yesterday and I've cut it into square pieces. The set ones you can cut into any shapes of your choice. And finally I'm going to dust it with some sugar.